Good morning, Wesley fans. I'm going to take up this part of the bowling alley today. This is the dry area. We had a storm yesterday and it pretty much rained all day. So anywhere that there is or was a leak is now pools and puddles. So I'm going to focus on just getting rid of all of the good lumber today, stacking what's good over there, bad over there, and let's see if we can tear up this whole floor today. So this was about 40 minutes to get all this up. It was freezing in here. Now I'm burning up. We are going to start
We? Why? The royal we.
I'm gonna start tearing up all this stuff now. And luckily, I think I found some seams. I don't know how long these guys are, but the longer they are, maybe I can sell them to Home Depot and make like $80,000 off of selling 3 of these boards. So the work will continue. There we go. I'm gonna start doing this. Look at my big shadow over there. What? 10-pound head, 16-inch handle. What the? A bash hammer? What the? Does that have a name?
Stormbreaker.
It's a bit much, but I'm gonna use it. So sometimes our pieces of wood here like to stick together, but with the mighty heavy hammer. We're having pretty good success. I am tearing up a bunch of this stuff, as you can tell from the lack of how it is. I'm gonna start taking up these little 1x6s and clearing out this area so I can have something nice to walk on instead of having to hopscotch across all this crap. I got a bunch of 2x4s left right there, which will come up, go back in the pile, and then just as I progress, I'm gonna take out all that stuff, but I'm gonna start right here, just from here back, and get all this stuff out, and then just make a clean area from here back. That way, as I'm walking all the debris up here, I'm not trying to climb all over this stuff. There you go. Cheers. Second thought, on top of each one of these is 2 nails, 3 nails, some have 4 or 5. So I'm gonna cut this apart in 4x8 sections, and I'm gonna stack them over there. So I'm gonna build a wall that'll even have little fur out walls for drywall, and I can run my cables easier, and they're all breaking because they're dry. You probably can see over there maybe. It's gonna be easier, faster, and more efficient because I'll be able to just stack them up easier. So I'm gonna make a bunch of 4x8s and stack them over there. Enjoy this time lapse. Kiddos, shadow. So I cut these parts, this part, what I thought would be 8 foot by 16 feet, and I thought that'd be great, that'd be awesome, that'd be totally good. I can move those out like a lot more and go faster, and they weigh as much as a car. The 2x4s that have been on the ground have had so much moisture since 1940. Those weigh a lot more than those guys did. Some of those were like a feather because they were just drier. Yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna see how many ways I want to break this down, and I don't know. Let's just see how this time lapse goes. I'm gonna do a little thinking. I'm gonna come in and do a little bit of and we're gonna go from there. Cheers, peeps. Put on the gloves. Golden gloves. It should be gold. Golden gloves. Boxing. It's just flooring. Whatever. It'll. It's good. It's all good. It's all good. So, started out at 16 feet. That was really heavy. Went to like 8 and 4, and it seems like 4x8 sections are the best. We're gonna keep moving along here. Looks like this little section is just gonna be not trashed by lumber standards of today. But I'm gonna cut this dude out, get this one, and then just keep going away. The goal was to get this spot cleared by today, and I think I'm gonna be able to do it. We had to cut today shorter than we wanted to, but you could see all the radness that was done. Yeah, I just ran out of batteries, and my Sawzall and the light over there all take the same batteries. Thought I charged enough, but it turns out we were just kicking way too much ass today. Super bummer because there's just a little bit more. Almost done today, but I don't know, I'll charge more batteries for this week, and then I'll come in Luckily, whoever was working on this place last 12, 15 years ago, whatever, left some snow shovels over there, so I'm just going to use those to get rid of all this just random debris. But there you go. Probably have another 2 videos-ish with no power, but working on it and ordering lights and all that stuff, so this will be fun. Keep checking in and subscribe to the channel. That way you see more awesome stuff that's coming up. I'll probably do some cool giveaways of tools and maybe materials, because that's worth about $1 trillion right there. I'm gonna sell that, buy a house for the wife and the kiddo. And all right, cheers.